Okay, so good morning. So in this video, I'll cover how to create quizzes and add questions on femzonlinecollege.com. As you can see that. So let's start. So the first thing is you have to register or what login. So let's click on this. Get started. I have my account. I would love to use this. Yeah, this. So I'll just sign in with that. So oops, I'm coming. So signing in with that, and I think I'm good. My name is up there. So if you have any issue, just refresh and you'll be solved. So click on dashboard, and for you to get your quiz added, then you can just create a new quiz with this guy here. But you can just come to this page right here or click on quiz. Then I can now add a new quiz here. I can see all my quizzes. Well, we are testing some stuff, right? So let's just start from scratch. How do you create it? Oh, the quiz title here is just a test quiz, and the description and the duration. I'll just this is a minute. I'll just put 3 minutes. I can click on add. Very simple. I'm here. This is a test quiz. It is not published. I have a quiz that is also not published. You can always work on that. You can delete it here. You can edit. So let me just work on adding questions first. I think that's the most important. So I have no question here. I can choose to add question individually. So the first question. So the options. Option A, option B, option C, option D, option E. Let's select the correct option. I think that should be, let me just say C. Let me put it there like is the correct. Then the explanation, just C. Then the subject, FOC. Maybe mathematics, English, or anything. You can submit. Very simple, it is submitted. I can choose to now say okay, the second question. Second question. Then option A, option B, everything can still be the same thing. But let's change something here from here to let's try out to here. And I will now know that my B is what is the correct. Then C is just B. So you get that. So I can click on submit for that. No issue. So automatically I created the two questions, and I should see the two questions there. It's B and it's C. Very simple. Let's also add questions with the modal. Then let's add question by uploading. Click on that one here. If you want to add questions by um using the modal, let me go back there. I'm coming. Is it? If you want to add questions using the modal, you see it here. Add question down here. Add a new question. But using the upload option, you can use add questions. Then you can choose a file. So I have some files ready. I think I'll just show you how it works. And if it's not here, it's here. So these are the guys. So let me just do something. Let me work on this. So I would like to show you how to actually work with that. So yeah, with what I have here now, I opened my Excel. That's the format to upload. And what you just need to do is add subjects here like mathematics. Then the question here, what is number base? I don't know. And the option A, option B, option C, option D, option E, is the correct one. So after option E, there's no F. So the H colon here is for correct option. So I'll just say E because E is the correct one. The explanation, then the um points, maybe like 3 points for this question. So you can come to the next place. Let's say I want to add 10 questions. I'll just say, let's go this way. Then another question here. What is this? Um, I'm coming. I'll just have to be very fast with this. I'll delete everything. The correct option is C. I think all these ones can be the same thing, but the question should not be the same at least. So I'll just work on that. So let me just duplicate everything down. Then these guys, I can just sorry for this. I just have to be very fast with it for the sake of the video. So I'm so sorry for that. Let me draw this two down. Then the point, you may want the point to be the same thing. At least you're using a laptop, you can always survey that. So after 10 questions, I can save. I can just say test. I want to save it here. So I'll just say test. I'll delete everything. So click on save and you have it saved. So let me go back there and select the correct one. So I want to choose another file. So test good is there, and then I can now upload. Very simple, very fast. The first one we added, the second one we added, while the other 10 guys we added after later on, it should be that should be up to like 12 like that. You will see all those nonsense guys. Oh, anyways, then should be up to 12. Yeah, we have 12 questions with the correct ones you added. Very simple to work with. And that's that for that. You can upload another. Maybe you change your mind, you want it to be 100 questions or something. Add to it, share it. Then you can delete and edit question. Let me just delete all this shit now. So I won't just populate the database for nothing. It's gonna delete everything for me. So I'm done deleting everything. So after that is done, I think the quiz is ready. Just come back to let me upload a nice question or something so that the student can just see something nice to work with. Just upload this. So it's still the same format, sure you get. Hmm. Oh, there's an issue with this question basically. Like the format I use is not definitely not correct. I didn't check it. So let's just don't let me waste my time on that. Let me pause and delete everything again. Then get a nice format. So I'm adding a new question now. And I think I'm sure about muffins. I'm very sure. So let's just get out. Oh, that's nice. So I can now come back to my quiz. Then let me see the quizzes. And yeah, this is the test quiz. I can now edit it. So editing the quiz with the pen icon, view the question with this, delete the quiz with this. So it's loading. So the title is there, you can change it, the quiz description. You can select the quiz category. I would love to use this. And the image I want to choose for this guy. How can I get an image? I think I have it in design resources. Let me put this my guy there. You can just add anything nice, she get. So the passcode, something here. Or let me just say passcode. Yeah. So I think that's all. So let me publish it. So immediately it's published. Okay, let me just open another tab so I can nah. You can always although it shouldn't be an issue on your side. So the quiz is not public. This test quiz 5 was the one I did just now on my phone. It's not the one we are working with now. But I can just edit it sharp. Test quiz 2. So immediately I publish this. Okay, if I save it without publishing, it's still not going to show up for the students. It is still not published. Oh, my network is bad. It's still loading. Yeah, so the image is uploaded, then the quiz is updated. So if you check here, if I refresh, I'm not going to see anything. Like it will still not be there. But if I now change this guy to published, then I'm going to have it there. Quiz updated successfully, which is definitely if I refresh this now, I have the quiz there. So this is it. So users can now proceed to take the quiz. So that's for that. So you can do the quiz and play with it. So that's just everything about this, and I think we'll get it better. So I would just like to delete the quiz and forget about it. So this is not supposed to. Oh, I didn't delete the questions. What is that? So I think they should delete automatically. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Filmsandlikeollet.com all the time.